Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, here to give you some mechanic tips. I'm going to give you a bit of information on batteries. So we're going to turn ourselves around to these batteries this way. This number right here is basically saying the size and group of the battery that fits in this car. If you try a different size, it probably won't fit. Cold cranking amps. When it is cold outside, it needs a 550 cranking amps to get this starter started and get this engine running. Right here, this 90 reserve time, that's what this RC stands for. When your alternator decides to conk out on you, you have 90 minutes to get where you need to go. This is also a maintenance-free battery. You're not going to be able to open this up as you normally would in a battery that has a little part right here and here, which is a 6-cell battery. So you're not going to be able to add no acid or anything else. I tell people, if your battery is 2 years old and it's starting to give you problems, go ahead and replace it. A lot of people say, oh yeah, stick it on the charger. Yeah, but let me know how that works out for you when it gets cold and you don't have enough acid in there, because this is a maintenance-free battery and you can't even see how much acid, and when it gets cold your car won't start anymore. We do longevity things. We do long term. We don't sit around and carry chargers to charge up people's batteries. We tell them to replace it if there's going to be any problems, because we do not want them to be stranded. And 100% out of 100, we will correct every time by doing that. Versus we used to tell them, oh yeah, go charge it up, and then the next thing you know, there's other issues that will happen after that. And we don't want customers to be stuck anywhere. So this is just a mechanic tip about batteries. If you want to save some money on a battery, you get all this information right here. This is the size of the battery, the cold cranking amps, mass T2s up. You can go to Walmart and get a battery half the price. If you cannot afford $200, most people cannot afford a $200 battery, and that's what batteries are going for right now, even the cheapest battery. And if you decide to ever get a 90-day battery, don't ever do it. A 1-year battery, you get what you pay for. A 2-year battery, it is what it is. I always go to Walmart. They always honor their stuff, and I tell customers that's what they need to do. And if I had to do it, I would do it, and I actually have done it before. Anything I say, I actually follow through. I'm never going to tell you guys to do anything I wouldn't do for my own self. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, there's a join button that you can click on if you decide to join our channel, not subscribing, but to joining the channel. As a member, you will get first dibs on videos. Everybody else has to wait until after you see them. Also, we give you priority on commenting, and we also give you a live shout out on the video once you join. Thank you.